Hey everyone, it's David at Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up your training creation, right? So let's go over here. I'll show you how these PowerPoint presentations come out.
Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining this crucial training session. Next, let's discuss how to measure body temperature.
This is all
You
created
can use
with
a
AI.
digital
Super
thermometer,
easy.
which is the
Not too much personalization.
First, let's
that we have to
understand
do.
what vital signs are.
Just created with AI. So first thing to get started is I'm going to go to trainday.io. I'm going to log in here, and we're going to start to create a course. Now, I like to go to Upwork, search for training modules, SCORM, things that people need, and I found this one right here. So somebody's trying to create learning modules for a fire investigation company. So all I'm going to do is copy this part right here on this description, and we're going to use this to create our course. So I'm going to say custom. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. Next, and for our data source, I'm just going to go ahead and put this plain text in here, right? Same exact thing, right? I'm going to say use this data, and now we get to, select the sample, and it'll generate some pretty good examples for us, right? So I am actually going to choose this one, and we'll just wait for our samples and see what we get. All right, here our samples are. We're going to get 6 of them. All right, so these look pretty good. They did select a nice presenter for us. Okay, let's choose this one right here. This looks perfect for us, actually. We're just going to edit the font a little bit, the positioning of it, maybe the size of the presenter, and then we should be good to go. Maybe we'll create another little quiz inside the slides, so it'll be like a knowledge check in between 2 slides maybe, and then we should be pretty good to generate our slides and see what we can do with this. So let's click on this one. And this was our fire investigation, right? So we're going to rename this. And let's go ahead and edit this one, right? Let's edit this text to fire investigation training. And we'll just position this right about here. And maybe we'll move this presenter right there. We'll apply this to all slides. So we get a nice uniform look. And let's just see what we have. Okay, slide 1, slide 2. We can go in here and just delete this text right here where it says slide. That's no problem. And you can go through all of them and just do that if you need to. So let's just check out our quiz real quick. Our multiple choice quiz. This is good. This is perfect for us. Good, that's great. So let's just add another really short quiz in between the slides. To do that, we're just going to say add a slide. It's going to be a quiz. I'm going to bring it over here, and we're going to generate some questions. And we want the questions to be based on these first 2 content slides, really, right? Not the welcome slide, but these 2 slides. We'll click next, and let's just do 6 questions. So now it's generating us nice multiple choice questions just based on those first 2 content slides, right? Here we go. This is nice and good right here. So that's working great for us. You could translate this into 30 different languages if you need to. You can also translate the entire course, right? So this looks good. This looks perfect for us. So we're going to start to generate our slides. We'll just start with this one. I'll click yes that I want captions. All right, so that slide will be done in just a minute. We're actually going to come in here and actually change this presenter really quick. I'm just going to pick somebody else just to make it a little bit different. There we go. We'll go back. So we can give it a little bit of a variation in our course, right? So that's it. All you could do is add your learners if you need to. When you're done with all your slides, you can export it as a PowerPoint or export it as a SCORM package, which will include all of our quizzes and be SCORM compliant. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and you can speed up all your training content super fast, super easy with AI. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.